Okay everyone, I have been investigating alternatives to those clips that you've all been commenting on my IKEA boards that I use for storage, because unfortunately the firm on Amazon that I've given you all the link to seems to have sold out of everything, and we don't know when they're going to be restocking. I seem to have caught, I don't know, is it me? Have I caused a buying frenzy? Anyway, I've been doing some research. First thing to show you is these. These people have sent these pots, which I think look pretty awesome, so I thought I'd show you these properly. Free delivery on all UK orders. Got an Etsy shop and eBay shop. There's the website. I'll put your links as well below to make life easy for you. They do offer worldwide shipping as well. So this is obviously someone who's got 3D printing off to a fine art. Now, I've got some of the little clips coming as well. I think they're from a different supplier, but I'll show you those when they arrive as well. But I really wanted to show you these because I think these look ideal for the sort of crafts we're doing. So now this is going to be some noisy unwrapping. It was very well packed. There was lots of bubble wrap in here. There's some little extras in too. Look, there's a little hanky clips and some dice. They're nice. I'll do something with all those. And yeah, so this is going to be a noisy unpacking. So I'll unpack it and we'll have a proper look. Right, here we are then. Don't know about you, but I think those look great. Typical of 3D printing, you've got that sort of rigid effect to them because of the way 3D printing works. But the finish on them, that's really nice. And you can choose your colours as well. So let's try the little clips on the back of them. Make sure they work. So that way, you know, that goes onto the board, doesn't it? No, that'll be upside down. I keep telling you I'd be dangerous if I had a brain. 3 clips, so that's going to be quite a nice sturdy fit onto the board. Now I'm going to take you to one of my boards and we'll see how they go on. Right then. Excuse me, as I'm climbing over all that bubble wrap, I'm going to take these little clips off here and pop this. They're going to stay in place while I put them on. They look like they want to slide off. So let's put them on the board first. Okay, that's a nice snug fit. And then these two I should be able to hold while I... Oh, I see, they just go... Right, okay, so that's going to be the easy way to do it. Put them on like that. Yeah, they fit really tight. That's a firm fit onto the board. Let's see, does this go on easy enough? Oh yeah, look at that. That's fantastic. Now, I might move it along in a minute. I might have a bit of a reorganise along here. But I have got some more of these coming. Now these are those ones that have sold out. Now the 3D printing chappie I've been talking to about these is aware that the paint pot ones, that's these ones here, those bottles fit perfectly into these little clips. But they're slightly too big for our ink bottles and pigments. So I'm going to talk to one of these 3D printer chappies about making slightly smaller ones that are bespoke for us crafters using these little tiny bottles. So watch this space, there'll be another video coming soon. And yeah, so hello, let me get in camera. Excuse the state of this room still. Am I in shot? I've no idea. I think I am. Yeah, so I'll be talking to this 3D printing chappie and we'll see if we can work out some things bespoke for us. So if you've got any design ideas, if you've got these boards and you're thinking, I wonder what else I can get for my crafty stuff to go on those boards, and you've got ideas that you would like making, let me know, because I'll put the info through to him. There'll be nothing in it for me other than I will get the stuff that I want made to buy from him as well. But yeah, if they've got any things that you're thinking, I wish they made this to go on these boards, let me know. Right, just thought I'd share that useful thing with you. I'll put the links, as I said, below for these little pots, and when I get those clips come as well, I'll put you the links for those too, so that you can go shopping if you want. As I said, I'm not on commission. These just look great and it's something I wanted. So, and people kept asking. Here I am to share. See you all for the next one, folks.